In this video tutorial, we are going to create post image and feature image. First of all, we will click on post, add new post. Here we will give the heading of the post. Suppose this one is the heading. And we will write the message here. And now here we will create another heading. For overview, it should be in heading 3. No. First we will create the image for this one. Add image, upload image, or if it is already available in library, then click on library, or if it is available online, then click on insert from URL. And now we have clicked on upload. So there will be a number of images. Suppose we are providing this image. We will expand. And now the paragraph of this post. We are going to make this image as our feature image. You can also create a drop cap. Click on documentation. Stick to the front page. Permalink. We've already permalink automatically created. In which category you want to be added this post? Suppose download and accounting software, or only click on download. Which category, which text should be included? Suppose software, set feature image. Click on feature, set feature image, and select this one. Give the name of the post. You can also give caption. All text should be the same, and you can also give the description for these image. Select here are different options like hide post meta, hide other information, hide these and these. Write in expert except publish this one. Now go to the dashboard, open in a new tab. You can see a very beautiful post with a feature image. You can see have been created. You can also change the feature image, and if you have added more than one images, then you can change the feature image to another one. Similarly, you can create different posts and on different categories and tags. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel to view and to see other different videos. Thank you so much.